In this video, we're going to show you how to replace your PCV valve on your Ford Explorer. It's located on the back side of your lower intake manifold. With our hood open, we want to go ahead and disconnect our battery. We're going to start by disconnecting the negative side here using an 8mm socket. Go ahead and spin that off and set that aside. Go ahead, loosen and remove our positive terminal here. Disconnect your wiper motor harness. On the bottom side of this bulkhead connector here, there's a mounting bracket and there's a little plastic tab on the bottom. You can use a mirror to see on the bottom side of it. You're going to use a pick or a small blade screwdriver. Release that harness. Pull that forward. Using our 8mm socket, we're going to go ahead and loosen the two screws holding this bracket to the firewall. Using a 10mm socket, go ahead, loosen this bolt right here. All right, gonna run our hand down underneath here and grab that unit. I'm gonna pull it up and out. Now the upper portion will hold out with our hose, but we're just gonna reach down. Should be able to reach down here and pull out that bottom portion. Pop this harness off, set that aside. I want to grab our hose here. I'm going to pop the upper portion out of that hose. Now we're going to install our PCV before we get it down below, because it's going to be easier to get the base into the intake than it will to get the hose onto the port here. So we can go ahead and slide this on. And go ahead and pivot that and swing that down back again. All right, so now we have our unit here lined up. We're just going to go ahead and press it down into the engine. Going to install our bracket onto the firewall. Going to install this little tab for this harness here. Once that bolt bottoms out, you're good. You just want to go ahead and slide this onto that bracket. Reconnect your wiper motor. Now that you have your wiper motor connector on, you want to go ahead and reconnect your battery. We're going to go ahead and install the positive side, install our negative side. I'm going to go ahead and snug this down. Once that bolt tightens down, just give it a little bit more. You don't want to over tighten these here, but you do want to make sure that you can't spin this terminal. Do the same for the negative. Snug that down, and we're pretty tight. You're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.